180. Which of the following factors are favorable for the formation of oxyhemoglobin in alveoli? 1. High PO2 and high PCO2. 2. High PO2 and lesser H plus concentration. 3. Low PCO2 and high H plus concentration. 4. Low PCO2 and high temperature. Answer 2. High PO2 and lesser H plus concentration. 181. The following diagram showing restriction sites in E. coli cloning vector PBR322. Find the role of X and Y genes. 1. The gene X is responsible for resistance to antibiotics and Y for protein involved in the replication of plasmid. 2. The gene X is responsible for controlling the copy number of the linked DNA and Y for protein involved in the replication of plasmid. 3. The gene X is for protein involved in the replication of plasmid and Y for resistance to antibiotics. 4. Gene X is responsible for recognition sites and Y is responsible for antibiotic resistance. Answer 2. The gene X is responsible for controlling the copy number of the linked DNA and Y for protein involved in the replication of plasmid. 182. Match list 1 with list 2. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer 3. A3, B4, C1 and D2. Down syndrome, 21st chromosome. Alpha thalassemia, 16 chromosome. Beta thalassemia, 11 chromosome. Klinefelter syndrome, X chromosome. 183. Consider the following statements. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. B only. 2. A only. 3. C only. 4. D only. Answer 2. A only. 184. Match list 1 with list 2. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer 3. A3, B1, C2, D4. Common cold, rhinoviruses, Haemococcus, Plasmodium, Vidal test, typhoid, allergy, dust mites. 185. Match list 1 with list 2. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer 4. A3, B4, C1 and D2. That is cocaine, erythroxylum, heroin, papaver somniferum, morphine, effective sedative in surgery, marijuana, cannabis sativa. Section B. 186. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. Gore's competitive exclusion principle states that two closely related species competing for different resources cannot be exist indefinitely. Statement 2. According to Gore's principle, during competition, the inferior will be eliminated. This may be true if resources are limiting. In the light of the above statements, choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer 4. Statement 1 is false, but statement 2 is true. 187. The following are the statements about non-chordates. A. Pharynx is performed by gill slits. B. Notochord is absent. C. Central nervous system is dorsal. D. Heart is dorsal if present. E. Post-anal tail is absent. Choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. 1. A and C only. 2. A, B and D only. C, B, D and E only. 4. B, C and D only. Answer 3. B, D and E only. 188. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. The cerebral hemisphere are connected by nerve tract known as corpus callosum. Statement 2. The brain stem consists of the medulla oblongata, pons and cerebrum. In the light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. Answer 3. Statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. 189. Match list 1 with list 2 related to digestive system of cockroach. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer 1. A4, B2, C3 and D1. That is, the structures used for storing of food is crop. Ring of 6 to 8 blind tubules at junction of foregut and midgut, gastric ceca. Ring of 100 to 150 yellow colored thin filaments at junction of midgut and hindgut malphizian tubules. The structures used for grinding the food. Answer gizzard. 190. Match list 1 with list 2. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer 4. A3, B4, C1 and D2. That is exophthalmic goiter, hypersecretion of thyroid hormone and protruding eyeballs. Acromegaly, excessive secretion of growth hormone. Cushing syndrome, excess secretion of cortisol, moon phase and hyperglycemia. Cretinism, hyposecretion of thyroid hormone and stunted growth. 191. Choose the correct statement given below regarding juxtamedullary nephron. 1. Juxtamedullary nephrons are located in the columns of Bertini. 2. Renal corpuscle of juxtamedullary nephron lies in the outer portion of the renal medulla. 3. Loop of the Henle of juxtamedullary nephron runs deep into medulla. 4. Juxtamedullary nephrons outnumber the cortical nephrons. Answer 3. Loop of the Henle of juxtamedullary nephrons run deep into medulla. 192. Regarding catalytic cycle of an enzyme action, select the correct sequential steps. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer 1. E, A, D, C, B. That is substrate binding to active site, substrate enzyme completion formation, chemical bonds of the substrate broken, release of product, free enzyme ready to bind with another substrate. 193. Match list 1 with list 2. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer 3. A3, B4, C1, D2. That is unicellular glandular epithelium, goblet cell of alimentary canal, compound epithelium, moist surface of buccal cavity, multicellular glandular epithelium, salivary glands, endocrine glandular epithelium, pancreas. 194. Match list 1 with list 2. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer 4. A3, B1, C4, D2. That is Mesozoic era, birds and reptiles, Proterozoic era, lower invertebrates, Cenozoic era, mammals, Paleozoic era, fish and amphibia. 195. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. Mitochondria and chloroplast are both double membrane bound organelles. Statement 2. Inner membrane of mitochondria is relatively less permeable as compared to chloroplast. In the light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. Answer 3. Statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. 196. Match list 1 with list 2. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer 2. A3, B2, C4 and D1. P wave, depolarization of atria. QRS complex, depolarization of ventricles. T wave, repolarization of ventricles. TP gap, heart muscles are electrically silent. 197. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. Bone marrow is the main lymphoid organ where all the blood cells including lymphocytes are produced. Statement 2. Both bone marrow and thymus provide microenvironments for the development and maturation of T lymphocyte. In the light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. Answer 1. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. 198. Identify the correct option A, B, C, D with respect to spermatogenesis. 1. FSH Leydig cell Sertoli cell spermiogenesis. 2. ICSH interstitial cell Leydig cell spermiogenesis. 3. FSH Sertoli cell Leydig cell spermatogenesis. 4. ICSH Leydig cell Sertoli cell spermatogenesis. The correct answer 1. FSH Leydig cell Sertoli cell spermiogenesis. 199. As per ABO blood grouping system, the blood group of father is B positive, mother is A positive, and child is O positive. their respective genotype can be. Choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. 1. A only, 2. B only, 3. C and B only, 4. D and E only. Answer 1. A only. 200 and the last question. Match list 1 with list 2. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer 4. A4, B3, C1, D2. That is RNA polymerase 3, snRNAs, tRNA, termination of transcription, RHO factor, splicing of exons, snRNPs, Tata box promoter.